Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss about A-10, hugely successful attack fighter bomber. Its cost is about $18.8 million. It is manufactured by USA and its manufacturer is Fairchild. It is outfitted by two General Electric turbofan engines. It consumes 9065 pound-force of power to fly. It runs with the maximum speed of 741 km per hour. Its travel range is 4148 km. It covers 0.68 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It flies up to 45,000 feet in the sky. Its rate of climb is 600 feet in 1 minute. It requires 945 meter distance to take off and 610 meter distance for landing. It can fly by carrying maximum load of 22,950 kg. Its fuel tank capacity is 7,257 liter. It has only one general seat. Its exterior length is 53.02 feet and its tail height is 14.50 feet. One 30 salmon barrel Gatling gun up to 7200 kg of mixed ordnance on 8 under wing and 3 under fuselage pilot station, including 225 kg and 900 kg low and high drag bombs and cluster bombs.